Hey, how you guys doing? Here's another connector. I have seen it used on GM O2 sensors, and I'll teach you how to pull the connectors out of it. Let's pretend the outside was damaged and you just want to change the plastic. It's a 4-prong Delphi Packard connector. I'll show some pictures and some potential links in the description for you. Let's look at this connector. This is the pin extraction tool I'm going to go with. How did I choose it? There's a whole bunch on here, as you can tell. I first looked at the connector, and let's examine it ourselves. I'll go through it with you. So I know the male part of the connector goes in here. So that isn't where you're going to release it. It's at the top here. You can see a slight slot. Well, I chose this release tool that it's the full width of that slot. That way there's no wiggle room, and it'll definitely disengage the pin that's inside. So I slide it in till it bottoms out. Don't got to be mean about it. And it releases the tab and it pulls right out. There we go. I'm out. There you go. Put it back in. Let's hopefully hear a click. Ah, you didn't. It got muffled. But you hear a click and you shouldn't be able to pull it out. That's when you got it. Hope that's helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the information helpful.